lovely people, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. Today is actually, it's a Saturday and it's technically the first day of summer holidays. So far so good, we're a few hours in, so far so good. Leo is playing in his bedroom as we speak and Cooper is asleep. So perfect opportunity for me to show you my little B&M haul. Now, isn't this just the way? I had no intention, I've literally only just done a B&M haul. I had no intention of doing this video. I popped in yesterday for literally a glass jar, like a pasta jar that I have two of. One of them is smashed, so I need another one. They didn't have one. So I went in intending to buy that for, you know, £4 or whatever, and that's it. And came out with two ginormous bags. Just happens, doesn't it? So then I thought, well, I might as well do a haul. And actually it's a good one because today is first day of summer holidays and there's a lot of summer holiday sort of survival bits and bobs in here. There's also a lot of cleaning, my cleaning cupboard, a lot of things are running low, so I got a lot of cleaning bits. So yeah, you guys should thoroughly enjoy this, I think. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's see what I got from the motherland that is B&M stores. I'm gonna try and do all of the cleaning bits first, I think. So let's have like a little cleaning haul first. How does that sound? There's something in these bags, right, that smells so strong. These bags have been in my living room, obviously, for the last like day, and the whole room smells of cleaning product. And I don't know what it is, but I'm going to be sniffing everything to try and work out what it is, because something in here smells not bad, smells like clean, but I just don't know what it is. Okay, first thing on the cleaning agenda was some fresh plugins. I actually have three plugins in the house. I have one in the kitchen, one in the living room, one on the upstairs landing, but obviously this is a pack of two. Yeah, I haven't got enough, should have got another one. We're not going to dwell on it, it's fine. And I don't normally get this scent. I normally get the blue one, whatever it's called. Is it Cotton Fresh? I normally get that, but this one caught my eye. It's limited edition, so I hadn't seen it before. Vanilla and Magnolia. Yeah, it was giving me sort of summer holiday vibes as well. So I'll put those, I'll probably put these two downstairs, so that downstairs smells lovely. And I'll have to buy another one for the landing as well because, yeah, because I can't count, apparently. I don't know how much they were. Are you guys gonna wanna know prices? I'm so bad at this bit. Guys, the receipt is as long as my arm. Like, I don't know how much it cost, like £4 maybe, something like that. I got some white vinegar spray. I use this, actually most commonly don't use this as a spray. Most normally I'll like take the top off and I pour it down the kitchen plug hole just to try and eliminate bad smells. But you can use this for so many other things. Removal of stains on laundry, hard surfaces, windows, mirrors, bath. It's also effective on lime scale. I've also been using it on my dining room table because more common surface sprays, like a sort of flash spray, because my dining room table is like painted, treated wood, I find it makes it sticky. And I've read online that just white vinegar spray doesn't leave that sticky residue, so I've been doing that as well. But yeah, Star Drops white vinegar spray, I think it was 80p, and it's a good all-purpose kind of thing to make sure you have in your cleaning cupboard. Obviously I got the multi-purpose flash spray as well, because who has a cleaning cupboard without a flash spray? Which one did I get? I went for a new scent. I've just finished the orange one, which is called Something Paradise. Something Paradise, I can't remember, but like really tropical, lovely smell. And I was gonna get that one again, but then I saw Apple Blossom and I thought I'll give Apple Blossom a go. I can kind of smell it, yeah, really appley. It's not the thing that's stinking out the room, but it does smell lovely. Yeah, I mean, you can use this for literally everything. Can't do without it. Also got a bottle of Flash. I got the Flash with the bicarb of soda, which is one of my favorite ones. Again, this is just completely multi-purpose. I mean, it says floor cleaner, and I do. The main thing I use Flash like this for is the floor. I have a spray mop, so you fill up the liquid bit in your spray mop and then you use it to clean your floors. Obviously I also have a proper mop as well, so that's the main thing that I use the Flash for, but I also sometimes use it for other cleaning purposes as well. So yeah, I can't remember how much this was, like £1 or something else I was running low on. I got this is the Fabulosa Fomo. I was just talking about my kitchen plug hole, wasn't I? It is a bit whiffy at the moment. I don't know whether the heat wave has contributed to that or something. I'm not really sure, but I feel like I need to give it a bit of TLC, and I've seen this on Instagram, and yeah, I wanted to give it a go. The ultra foaming freshener and sanitizer for sink drains and plug holes. So keep an eye on my Instagram and I will use this soon. Basically it says, well, I'm not going to talk you through the instructions because you'll see me do it on Instagram, but yeah, I think it was like £1, and I'm up for anything Fabulosa. Oh yeah, bathroom spray. Like I said, I was just really low on all of my sprays, and my bathroom spray has nearly run out, so I went for this one. I don't know if I've used this one before, the Cif Clean Boost Power and Shine for bathroom. So yeah, don't really recognize this one. I'm not sure if I've used it before, but I'm excited to give it a go just for my general spray down in the bathrooms. Back to Fabulosa. Now you guys, if you guys have watched my hauls and my cleaning videos or anything before, you'll know that I love the Fabulosa cleaning wipes. I really rate them. Really good value, really strong, really lovely scented. They do a good job. But then I saw these ones, Fabulosa Big and Strong Antibac cleaning wipes. Now it does say the word bathroom on there, but I can't imagine that means you're only allowed to use these in the bathroom. The most common place I will use cleaning wipes is the toilets. If I'm out of toilet cloths, because I always use the same cleaning cloths to clean the toilet for obvious reasons. And if I don't have any, if they are in the wash or I just want to do something really quickly, yeah, I will use these in the bathroom, but also like to wipe up after the kids and stuff. So yeah, it does say bathroom, but I can't imagine that they will just be strictly for bathroom use only. I'm sure I can use these in the kitchen if I want to. Oh, is it these? Hold on. This might be what smells, you know. I think it's these. That's surprising, isn't it? Because they are sealed, literally sealed shut. I think it's these that smell really, really strong. They smell very, very fresh. So there you go. I'm excited to see what these are like, because I rate the normal wipes anyway, but Big and Strong. I got a couple of packs of toilet tablets. Now, every time I use these or talk about these, I'll get a message saying, oh, you really shouldn't use them. They're not good for your system. I know. Honestly, guys, I've tried the alternatives. I've tried the ones that like clip onto the toilet. They just leave like a really horrible residue. I've tried the one that like sucks onto the side. Again, it's really hard to get rid of. It just kind of stays there. These are just the best ones. And I'm sorry if they're damaging my system. I'm sorry, but I love them, and I love a coloured flush. Just makes me feel like the toilet is really, really clean. And I also think it's nice when you have guests over. It just looks nicer, smells nicer, seems fresher to have like a coloured flush. So yeah, my toilets always have a cistern block in them, and I highly rate blue. Maybe these are a bit like Marmite, I don't know, but I'm a lover. Also got myself some tumble dryer sheets, because I think I literally have one left in my box in the utility room. Yes, I do have a special box for tumble dryer sheets. I take them out of this box and put them into another box. Hey, Clint thinks I'm crazy. I don't care. Yeah, there's no scent like Spring Awakening. If you're gonna go for tumble dryer sheets, just go for your classic Lenore Spring Awakening. So good. Just one in every tumble dryer session. Smells amazing. So I might move on to, I've got a couple of snacky bits. I got these for Leo's little snack cupboard, just because he really loves hippos. Normally I wouldn't get them like all the time, but it's summer holidays and I thought, oh, I'll put some little hippos in his snack cupboard. These I got purely because I had Cooper in the trolley and he started to get a bit moany, so I just picked these up. Nice biscuits. Do you remember these? I've got a couple of organisation bits, obviously. I love these flexi storage baskets that B&M has. This size is for my fruit and veg storage. Again, if you're a subscriber follower, you'll know that I have these in my little fruit and veg storage basket thing, and I'm one short, so I have 3 in there and I need 4. So you do have to buy them in a pack of 3, and actually I only need 1, but I'm sure that I will find uses for the other 2. It's £2.50 for a pack of 3 of these tubs. And then I also got these. I have a plan for these, okay? These are the much longer, thinner shape. Again, £2.50 for a pack of 3. But my plan for these is I need to sort out our coffee and mug cupboard. Now I've actually only just got into coffee at the age of nearly 32. Yeah, Cooper broke me. Like, he is such an early riser, getting up at the crack of dawn. I finally caved in and tried coffee, and now I'm addicted. So the cupboard is full of like, yeah, coffee bits, mugs are everywhere. Like, it's just sort of pains me every time I open it. So I have a plan with these. Stay tuned, and I'm sure I'll share it with you soon. There's a couple of other bits I need to order, storage bits, but yeah, I've got a plan. Oh, I also got bin bags. Not very exciting, but I got a pack of 18 industrial strength bin bags. Right, my camera is about to run out of battery. Literally, this happens every time I film. I never learn. I never charged my battery before, even though I've been doing this for like 4 years. It's about to run out of battery. I'm gonna switch over to my phone. 2 secs. Okay, we're back. We're on the phone. Why do I feel like the phone is always like really zoomed in and like, yeah, I never know where to look. Do I look at the camera that's here? Do I look at like the screen? My fault for not charging my battery for the gazillionth time. Okay, so I think I've done everything, and now we're into like the summer holiday bits and bobs. Last thing is I got some children's non-slip hangers. Highly recommend, if you need children's hangers, to just pop to B&M, because you can get a pack of 10 for £3.50. Cooper has like grown out of the baby hangers. He has like the baby hangers, but now I'm finding like the shoulders on the t-shirts just to like slip off the hangers. Like, he needs the next step. So yeah, highly recommend for hangers. Okay, summer holiday bits and bobs. Basically, and I'm actually going to film a video maybe later today if I charge my battery, or tomorrow, about my top sort of tips for surviving summer holidays and keeping your little ones occupied in the summer holidays. And one of my main things with Leo is he has a making cupboard, we call it. It's basically an arts and crafts cupboard, whatever you call yours. Maybe you don't have a cupboard, maybe you just have a basket or something where you keep all of your making bits. But a huge thing for me is if I top that up and put fresh things in there, it can literally keep him occupied for hours. Just give him a bit of blank paper and some, you know, making bits and bobs, and he is set for like half the day. He loves it. So it's a huge recommendation of mine. I'm going to show you the bits and bobs that I've got for his making cupboard. Hopefully he won't walk in. First thing I got is a pack of funky stamps. I'm not calling them funky, that's literally what they're called, funky stamps. A pack of 26 stamps for £2.50. He loves a stamp. Kids do. Kids just love a stamp, don't they? It's a bit different to just drawing something yourself. So they're all sort of like summer themed. Hopefully he won't think they're too girly, because there's quite a bit of pink in there, but I don't think he'll mind just because he loves the stamp. So I'm going to put those in his cupboard in a minute. I also got him a pack of Post-its. Don't underestimate the power of a pack of Post-its. These can entertain kids for so long. He loves to just make stickers and, you know, pop them up around his room or something. Obviously they don't stay there forever, they're not sticky forever, but really fun, simple, easy, cheap activity. £1 for 300, which he's not going to use. Now this is the creme de la creme. Wow. I got him this craft party platter. I'm going to empty it out and like sort it out into our making cupboard. But wowza, there's a lot of stuff in here. A lot of like shapes and things for them to make pictures. Then inside we've got some gems and some pom-poms and some sequins. He will be thrilled with this, absolutely thrilled. So 655 pieces for £3.99. That's £4 to keep your little one very happy and entertained. I got him a classic, just A4 drawing pad, just plain white paper. He loves just plain white paper, blank canvas, so he can make whatever he wants. They also had white card, which I nearly got, but I went for paper in the end. £1 for a whole pack of white plain paper. This is different. I got this. I got him some tracing paper. I thought something I could introduce to him, I haven't done it with him before, is tracing. You know, if we were to go on the computer or something and get a picture that he likes, a Pokemon picture or something, and then I could teach him how to trace it. I thought actually he would love learning how to do that. So you get 30 transparent tracing sheets in here. I used to love tracing as a kid. And yeah, he's never done it before, not with me anyway. So that's one thing I'm gonna teach him in the summer holidays. £2 for that. Got him a little mini notebook. He loves a little notebook just to put in whatever he wants, his little secret notes, his little pictures, I don't know. He just really enjoys a small notebook. And his favourite colour is red, and it was only £1. So I thought this could be his little summer holidays notebook. I got him a tape dispenser. Oh my gosh, I don't know about you, but he asks me, when he's making things, he asks me for sellotape all the time. And I'll be in the middle of doing something and then I have to go and cut him a bit of sellotape, and yeah, it's a bit of a pain in the bum, isn't it? So, God, how'd you do this? Got him a tape dispenser. I have no idea how to put the tape in the actual thing, but this will obviously be a lot easier because if he wants sellotape, if he's making something, he can just do it himself. And that was only £2.50. Again, red, favourite colour. Just need to work out how to put the actual tape in the dispenser and then we'll be all good. And I got him a pack of Pritt sticks. I've already taken one out because I needed a Pritt stick yesterday, and his are all dried up. So a pack of 3 Pritt sticks. There's no price on there, I can't remember how much they were, but God, yeah, we go through these. Like, he loves, obviously you're going to need a Pritt stick or some glue if you're buying sequins and bits like that. So yeah, these are a must for any making cupboard. I got him some stickers. He's really into dinosaurs at the moment. He's like 5 and he's never ever taken an interest in dinosaurs like a lot of boys do. But he loves the Jurassic World movies. Over like the past 6 months, he's really enjoyed the Jurassic World movies and the new one that's just come out. And yeah, there was a whole pack of dinosaur stickers for no price. I think they were £1, but let me tell you, he will be chuffed with these. I'll be finding these all over the house. Okay, I think that's it for Leo's like summer holiday bits. There's just this one last thing that I got for Cooper. Obviously, summer holidays isn't much different to normal life for Coops. He's always at home with me. But really recently, he's got into like little animals and figures. He loves like lining them all up and sorting them all out. So similar to what Leo used to be like, which is funny. And I saw B&M had a whole pack of farm animals, like trees, fences, for £6 for this big pack, and he will love this. So I'm going to put these into a little basket, his little farm basket I'll make. Oh, it says it comes with a play base as well. Foods play base. I don't know, I'll have a look when I open it. But I thought that was a bit of a bargain. I feel like I needed to get him something because I got so much for Leo. I'll get something for Cooper as well. But there you go, that is what I got in my very spontaneous, unplanned B&M haul. But actually, yeah, it was meant to be because I'm so glad I went and got all of this stuff in time for the first week of the holidays. I'm gonna go now and put all of Leo's bits and bobs in his little making cupboard, and then I'll go get him and get him to open it and surprise him with everything that's in there. And then I'll put away my goodies, my cleaning bits as well. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Thank you. Loads of videos coming in the summer holidays. I mean, I upload 3 times a week, so that will still be going. We can do this. So make sure you subscribe and stick around, and I will see you guys in my next video.